we're going to do something super simple today. It's called egg roll in a bowl. Tons and tons of recipes are out there, you know, that show you how to do this. I needed something that was just, I don't know, just light. You know, sometimes, especially when it starts warming up outside, you just need something light. You don't need anything heavy. You just want something. And something easy. So, I took and made, you can use ground pork or beef on this. I did beef. I do have ground pork in my freezer, but I didn't want to do pork. So, I did about 1.5 pounds actually, maybe right at 2 pounds of ground beef. The recipe calls for less, but y'all know my kids, they want my boys, they have to have a lot of food. So, I took an onion, I sliced it. The recipe does not call for that much meat, and it does not call for onion. It calls for green onion, which I did not have, and could not find any in the produce department that looked good. So I just went with onion, regular onion. I did add a little bit of garlic, and garlic, you can just toss it in at the end and just cook it for like 30 seconds, just enough to kind of warm it up and, you know, kind of absorb some of the flavors. And I also drained this. So that's where I'm at now. I've cooked the hamburger meat, the onion, the garlic, and I've drained everything. And with this, instead of cabbage, just straight up cabbage, we're going to use this right here. We're going to use a coleslaw mix. So just put one of those in. Oops. Okay. And you're going to want this to cook down, of course. I mean, you don't want it to stay looking like this. This has got my carrots in it too, so I don't have to add that. It's got cabbage. It's got several different colors. So, I kind of wanted to go with the tricolor just to kind of give it a little bit of color. And you're going to use 1/4 cup of soy sauce, which I have. That's all I've got left in this bottle. So we're going to put that in there. And I also wanted to put in some sesame oil. Sesame seed oil. Let's see. I'm going to show y'all what that looks like. This stuff right here is like the best stuff if you're wanting to make Asian food. You know how sometimes you make Asian food and you taste it and you're like, it's just missing something? Well, this is the something. It's really good. It smells weird when you open it, but once you mix it with the food that you're trying to make, the recipe, you'll see what I mean. You need to get some of that and always keep it in your fridge. And I don't even think it costs much. It's like less than $5 a bottle. And just keep it in your fridge and just add it to whatever, whenever, however. And it just works. Alright, and I've got this on like a medium heat, low to medium. Ginger. You need about a teaspoon of ginger. Put that in there. I'm going to put some sriracha in there. A little bit of heat, and we're going to do about 2 teaspoons. So that's about a teaspoon. Another teaspoon. And we've already added our sesame oil. And the only thing left to add, if you had it, would be some green onions. But like I said, I just put in some white onion. I think it's very forgiving. You can do it how you want to. Instead of sriracha, you could always put crushed red peppers in here. That would be good. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a little bit of rice for this to go on. A little bit of rice to try to make it a little bit more substantial. But you could also leave it keto, just like it is. Should be fine. And that's it, y'all. I'm going to cook this down a little bit, and then I'll bring you back and let you see it. Okay, y'all, this is it cooked down. And I've got some rice cooking. I'm going to stir it over a bit of rice. You do not have to do that, though. But it cooked down pretty substantially. Next time I may do 2 packs instead of just 1 pack of the coleslaw mix. There you go. quick, easy dinner. Took me 20 minutes. Alright, I'll see y'all next time.